In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, the King of the kings, the master of all the entire universe. Assalamu alaikum to all of my viewers. So here I'm presenting the knowledge portion, the academic category about the knowledge, and the focus topic is English. And here I'm going to present the first topic regarding English language, it is grammar. So whenever I'm going to here focus on language, so first of all there is a discussion regarding language. It is said as a communication or transmitting of ideas with the other person. Whenever we are thinking to share our thoughts, our vision with other person, then in there it is said is the language, and it is the source of communication. So for any learning of language, there is a need to learn the structure first. So there is a focus on the grammatical structure of any language. So I'm here starting from the grammar. Grammar. It is said as whenever we are going to follow the language learning, then in there we have to follow its rules and regulations. Grammar is about that. It is said as the ability to learn any language, or it is said as a way to arrange the words to back the proper sentence structure. So grammar is about the sentence structure, the learning of the word. Whenever we are going to focus on the writing skill of any one language, then in there we have to focus the rules and regulation of that one language. So there will be followed as the grammatical structure of that one language. Here I categorize the grammar into two subcategories. The first one is word level grammar, and the second one is sentence level grammar. In the word level grammar, verb, tenses, nouns, adverbs, and other things will be preferred to be covered. Sentence level grammar covers phrases, clauses, reported speech, active and passive voice, and so many other things that will be followed as the structurization of the sentences. So, in the word level English grammar, here we are going to discuss about the words. Those all words followed in the part of the speech of English grammar. So one by one I will describe here each in word, single purpose and with meaning. I will describe here. The first one word is nouns. Whenever we are going to give the name to anything that will be said in the word level of grammar category is the noun. So it is said is the naming word. Whenever we are going to put the name on anything, that will be said as noun. So a few of examples I have quoted here, just like as the name of things, persons, places, things. The second one word is verb. So here I have categorized the verb. There are simultaneous categories about the word verb. So I have categorized here the two main or core categories of verb. The first one category among the verb is action verb, and the second one is stative verb. Just like as I have quoted here, the verb and the verb tenses. What does mean by these two words? As the verbs, those are said to be the stative or the action verb in the general category. Whenever we are going to categorize these two words as verb tenses, means there is a distinguish between these two categories of verbs. So in action verb, the subject describes the action in the sentence, just like as the subject is doing some action in the sentence, or just like as the subject is going to showing the way the subject is performing the action in the sentence. The stative verb, that whenever we are going to describe the category about the condition or about the state of the subject, that subject is where it's present, or the subject in what condition it is being described. So then and there we are going to say that one category is belonging towards the stative verb. The third one number is adjective. It tells about the noun, just like the quality, the quantity about the noun, how big the noun is, how the characterization of noun is being presented in the sentence, just like I have quoted here a few of the examples: big, red, expensive. These are all the characterization about the noun. Adverb. It tells more about the noun, adverbs, adjectives. Just like I have quoted here a few of the words, like loudly, hardly, beautifully, fastly, and so many words. The determiners. These are the words like, the, and this. These mostly words, those are involved in the category about the determiners, start with the noun phrase, preposition. It expresses the relationship of noun or pronoun to another word. Just like I have quoted here a few of the examples: it, in, from, and so many other examples. Just I'm going to describe here the single by single word in the word level grammar category, and in the descriptive form I will describe each and every single word of word level category about grammar in single individual video for you viewers. The word pronoun. This is said as the word which replaces the noun. Whenever we are going to use this word in the place, whenever there is a presence of noun, the word pronoun replaces that one name. Whenever that name isn't used the frequently places, then in there the pronoun will assist and here replace the noun in the sentence. Just like I have quoted here a few of the example of pronouns, like here, you, ours, him, she, I, we. These are all examples of pronouns. Conjunction. This one word use the join two sentences in a particular way with the specific words. Like I have quoted among the few examples of those words, those are said as a conjunction. But, and, though, and etc. These all are the words involved in the category of conjunction. Interjection. This one word to have no any particular, just like as importance in the grammar level, but this one word used as the short exclamations with no real particular stages of grammatical level. Here I have quoted a few of examples of interjection words is dear, ow, and a few of the other words, those mostly used in the sentences to show the expression of the subject.